have a 12x magnification. Here on the front, the diameter is 25 millimeters for the lens. It's adjustable here, so it can fit basically any person, so they can look through these and see what you want to look at. It's got a nice smooth focus wheel right here, so you can get fine adjustments. On either side, they have this adjustment, so if you wear glasses or sunglasses, it'll be able to work. And over here, it has the parallax compensation wheel. The binoculars come with a nice neck strap here. It does come with a holder with a belt attachment, and you have some eye cups here to protect the glass. So overall, this is a great little binocular set to have, whether you're going camping, outdoors, walking, just looking outside of your porch at something, birds, flowers, whatever. So glad that I picked it up.